Okay, so it's actually wash day, but someone asked me how did I do the style where I had the twist going around and this leave out right here. So I am washing my hair today, but I wanted to show you, and I just added some foam to this area right here a couple days ago or whatever, but I had initially put some foam in this area and twisted the hair down and then just took it out the next day, but I haven't done it since. And so this is what the curls look like. So I'm just gonna clip this away so it's out of the way, and I'll deal with the rest of my hair. So what I normally do, I'm gonna use water since I'm about to wash my hair. And my hair, this is over 14 or 15 days old anyway. So just gonna rub the water in. Now what I did when I actually did this style initially was I used the dew foam to lay down my sides and the back. And so I put the foam on, and the same way you see me putting this water, you know, like rubbing this water in, I put some foam here, some foam here, here, and here. So I'm just kind of rubbing that water in to my hair. And then I want a continuous twist to go around my whole head. And I used to wear my hair like this in high school all the time. So I just incorporate those kinds of things. And this was a spunt wash and go I had done when I was on the ship on my Alaskan cruise. And so again, I've been back and I just haven't been up to doing my hair. So life happens. So anyway, so I'm gonna rub this back, and I take the hair here and another piece here, and I'm gonna start twisting the hair. I'm not trying to do it, it's a flat twist, but it's not tight. So, and I'm gonna have a lot of hair, so I try to make sure I get the sections, turn around. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just splitting the hair. And doing a twist and not trying to do it really tight. Just trying to get it as neat as possible. Going under and getting some hair to twist. And I'm going to turn back around because I need to see if it's tight. So I'm going to take a look in the mirror. Okay. Because I don't want it to be too tight, so I'm just going to pull that out some like that. And I'm going to keep going out and around. My hair is shorter. It's cut shorter in the back, so this is where I put in some bobby pins, or hairpins rather. So I'm just trying to be gentle with my hair. I don't want to pull anything. So there's hair on my finger, and I'm just trying to get it and make sure that this is not too tight. All right. And I'm going to keep going here. I'm going to be careful because I'm not trying to pull my hair out. So just working through any kinks or knots I feel. twisting this. Get around, I'm almost there. And I'm just gonna spray a little water on my hair and keep twisting. And again, I have a lot of hair, so somebody else may get through that faster than me, but this is what I'm dealing with. So, and I have a snag nail, so I have this finger cut on my finger. And then I just twist this hair. I'm not trying to make it perfect, but just twist this hair down. And I go back with it. I just kind of put it up in there. And this is the pin. I think this is a hair pin. The other one is a bobby pin. But if I'm not right, it's the other way around. Anyway. And I'm gonna check the back. Yeah. I think this one's neater than the other one that I did. Anywho, so I always, you know, this area back here is where my hair is a little shorter. So I always try to secure that area back there. Take off my pin, my clamp, my hair clamp, and I try to cover this hair over here with the bang hair that I pulled out. And I would also, one more thing I do. So I will keep this clamped, I will keep this clamped, and I want my sides to lay down. And remember I told you I'll use the dew foam on the sides. So I will take my scarf and put on my head and try to lay down the hair. So I normally do that to lay the hair down, because I would normally do this in the morning before I'm ready to go somewhere or whatever, and finish, get my shower. So I do my hair first, get my shower so that it can lay down my hair, and then when I'm ready to go, then I just undo the scarf. You know, the sides would have laid down more, and then I would take the hair and fluff her wherever she needs to be fluffed and rock this crown of mine. So that is how I achieved this style. And I hope you try it when your wash and go is wash and went. And you can go ahead and turn it into something else. It's amazing. Our hair is amazing. So you have a great day. Bye-bye.